Well, good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Friday, and I hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. But I'm here to tell you here in East Central Mississippi, looks like it's fitting to rain. But that's all right, we can show enough use it. Before we get started in today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we got some new video equipment that we using over here at the home in the sticks. Give me a second and I'm fixing to tell you about them. Dan, what you done went and did? Well, I'm here to tell you, we had to upgrade our video system and what we use to record videos over here at the home in the sticks. So let me show you what we invested in. All right, I hope you could see this, but this is a GoPro Hero 8. And first impressions, yes, it is a nice camera. The onboard menus are a lot easier to mess with, and I'm running a media mod on this GoPro right now. So while this is not a review as of yet, because I've only had the camera 2 days, so I'm still messing around with the functions and the features of the camera, I'll tell you why I ended up switching over to the GoPro Hero 8. And just for illustration purposes, I shot the intro of this video with the Hero 8 Black using the media mod. Now what I normally use is, right now I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 5 Black, and I'm using the Rode wireless mic system on this camera right now. What I found is, in the last 3 years, I've really used my GoPro Hero 5. I mean, I've really used it, and I've really used the Rode mic system. I was telling Skylar earlier today, Lord of mercy, I get outside 115-degree weather, run the camera with the wireless system on top of it, and the Rode system gets abused. I've hung this wire up several times on things because I just don't want to tuck it in, anything like that. I like to leave it just right where it is, about mid-chest. And I've dropped this guy once or twice, and the camera that I'm filming on now, I normally have it on a tripod, and I have the transmitter or the receiver on top, and the tripod has tipped over in the wind. So this system's been used. It hadn't been abused, but Lord of mercy, it's been used. One of the key features of Hero 8 with the media mod is there is a microphone right there. Microphone in the front, microphone in the rear. The audio seems pretty good thus far. Haven't really tested it, so to speak, but there's a lot of features on this GoPro Hero 8 that are just really cool. It has some awesome video stabilization. It has a lot of features where you can get in there and mess with the ISO and all that stuff, and that's some stuff I normally don't do. It's got a lot of preset things that you can use on this camera, and it also has the boost and the warp, I believe that's what it's called. Again, haven't really messed around with all these functions yet, but I'm really excited about using the image stabilization, and also being able to use the shotgun mic, so to speak, that's on the front of this camera, so I won't have to use my wireless system. In a pinch, this camera has cold shoe mounts on the top and the side, so we can rock and roll. Ain't no problem. I could actually use my Rode system on this camera if need be. A few key things that I'm not really liking on the Hero 8 Black is, for one, the lens cover is not replaceable. This piece right here, you can't take it off and replace it if you scratch it. Unlike the 4, 5, 6, and maybe the 7, you can actually replace that square lens if you happen to scratch it. But then again, I am really careful with my equipment 99.9% of the time. Hopefully that won't happen, because it's extremely expensive to send this camera back to GoPro and get this thing replaced. They do make something called a roll cage, which is a neoprene cover that fits over this Hero 8 that shields the lens cover. I don't know, we may look into getting that. I don't know yet. We'll just have to see how it goes. The second thing that I'm just not too tickled about, but it is what it is the Hero 8's battery is proprietary. You can use a battery from the 5, 6, and 7, I believe, with the 8, but the advanced functions on the camera will not work because those batteries do not have the output to run the camera. So the Hero 8's batteries, they look just like the 4, 5, 6, and 7, except it has a blue footprint or blue foot down at the bottom. And we're really going to find out if the Hero 8 Black and the Media Mod was worth the money that we paid for it. I think it's going to be worth it. Well, there you have it. Just a little quick video on the GoPro Hero 8 Black that we decided to purchase to use over here to do most of our videos for YouTube here at my home in the sticks. Again, it's not a comprehensive review by any means. It's just to show you something that we invested in. And I'm sure in the months to come, yes, we'll probably do an in-depth review of the camera just to bring y'all up to speed on how we think it's doing. And I think it's going to work out really good. For one, we don't have to have the Rode wireless system attached to us. We could just go on with the Media Mod that has the built-in shotgun mic. I think that's going to be something worthwhile having. Another downfall I forgot to mention on that Media Mod is it's not waterproof. So if we're going to do video, and like we're doing right now, and I wanted to do it, I actually wanted to shoot the video outside, but it really looks like it's going to storm. So yeah, we did it inside, so I apologize for the lighting. We did add 2 more high intensity LED bulbs in the shop, so maybe the videos look a little bit better because I know my lighting sucks in the shop. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough Good Friday, and I hope everybody has a safe weekend, and I really hope that everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
And I mean nobody.
That's right, you get your shine on. Be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.